Hello everyone. In this video you're going to see the treatment of advance money received and forfeited during previous year 2013-14 or before. Now let us look at the problem. It says that Mr. X acquired a land on 1/1002 for rupees 2 lakhs. Then he enters into an agreement to sell his land to Mr. Y on 1/1011 and receive rupees 50,000 as advance money. But Mr. Y did not purchase the land and therefore Mr. X forfeited the advance. Then Mr. X sell the land on 1/1/2020 for rupees 10 lakhs to Mr. Z. Then you have to determine the capital gains. So first of all, we have to see whether the asset which has been transferred is a long-term capital assets or a short-term capital asset. So in this case, the property is land and the period of holding is more than 24 months because it has been acquired on 1/1002 and has been sold off on 1/1020. So this land here which has been transferred is a long-term capital assets. Now let us look at the advance money which he has received. So first of all, this problem, before selling the property, Mr. X has agreed to sell the land to Mr. Y, in which Mr. Y has paid rupees 50,000 on 1/1011 as an advance money. But later on, Mr. Y did not purchase the land and so Mr. X has to forfeit the advance money. Now let us look at the treatment with regard to advance money which has been received and forfeited. So now any advance money which has been received and forfeited prior to 31st/3/2014 or during the previous year 2013-14 or before that will be deducted from the cost of acquisition. So now let us look at the problem. So first of all, we have to look at the full value of consideration. So this will be the sales value. So the sales value is rupees 10 lakhs, in which Mr. X has sell the land on 1/1020 to Mr. Z. So the full value of consideration is rupees 10 lakhs. So since it is a long-term capital assets, indexation has to be done. So in this case, the cost of acquisition is rupees 2 lakhs. So since he has received an advance money and he has forfeited the advance money prior to 31st/3/2014, the advance money which he has received has to be deducted from the cost of acquisition. So the cost of acquisition is rupees 2 lakhs and the advance money which he has received and forfeited prior to 31st/3/2014 is rupees 50,000. So this rupees 50,000 has to be deducted from the cost of acquisition. So we'll get here the cost of acquisition will be 1,50,000. Then since it is a long-term capital assets, indexation has to be done. So into the cost of inflation index of the current previous year, that is 289, and the cost of inflation index of the year 2001-2002. So the cost of inflation index of the year 2001-2002 is 100. So after calculating, we get the index cost of acquisition is 4,33,500. So there is no cost of improvement nor there is expenses on transfer. So after deducting the index cost of acquisition from the full value of consideration, the long-term capital gain will be 5,66,500.